Dear student, today I am going to discuss about countable noun and uncountable noun. Dear students, countable noun. A countable noun is a noun that can be counted. These things we can count that will be counted. Means a countable noun is a noun that can be counted as car, book, flower. Next one, countable noun can be singular and plural. You know, singular form and plural form. The countable noun can be singular and plural form both. For example, car, cars, flower, flowers, book, books. And the next one, singular verbs are used with singular. Singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns, while plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. As example, uh, like my cat is playing. My cat is singular form, and when I say my cats are playing, the cats means plural form. It means both are means singular cat and cats both are countable. That means it will be means we can count cat or cats. It means it will be countable now. More examples like the children are playing. The children are playing. I have two dogs. Okay, and next one, which things we can count, that means that will be countable now. Next I am going towards uncountable now. Anything that cannot be counted, anything that cannot be counted, that is an uncountable noun, like milk, water, sugar, money, love, happiness, rain, and rice, etc. And few notes are there. Uncountable nouns are used always singular and should be used with singular verbs. Countable nouns are used always singular and should be used with a singular verbs. Like honesty is the best policy. So honesty is the best policy. Is the best policy. We can't say honesty are the best policy. Okay, we will say only honesty is the best policy, but we can't say honesty are the best quality. It will be wrong. Okay, next, like rice is the staple food of Indians. The rice is the staple food of Indians. We can't say rice are the staple food of Indians. It will be wrong. With rice we can't write, we can't use R. With honesty we can't use R. Okay, next point, keep in your mind, uncountable nouns cannot use an, a, an or numbers before them. Means we can't use any article with an uncountable noun. Like for example, we need electricity to use. We need electricity to use, but we can't say we need an electricity to use. We can't say an electricity. It will be wrong. Always we have to if the words are means with uncountable noun, we never use articles a and the or numbers. Here we need electricity to use, but we can't say we need an electricity to use. Thank you. It is clear. Hope it is clear.